Hello everybody, my name is Sio Kemau and I am a makeup artist, and I have been hearing many people been asking what I do to my face because I've been really inspired by what I do. So actually I am been a makeup artist for such a long time, and people were asking me where I get my motivation. So I say my motivation is very natural. And what I look at the hair in the hair, and I look at everything and the clips and the ukongano nikiangalia inani inspire. So people have been asking me, do a tutorial of what you do to your face, which makeup you do and which products you do. And I thought, why not? So today I will be doing a little makeup tutorial on my very expensive makeup. So let us start with my eye. When you see my eye up here, that is this is color blue, and it is a color I bought by Clowns Paints. It is sponsored by Clown Paints. You can buy the Clown Paints anywhere. You can buy Langiwa Nomba, yes, there. And when you see here upstairs here, it is pink. You know, pink is something for amwe to angaol. You just it blends very nicely. It makes you look natural. Okay, when you can see up here is my eyebrows. My eyebrows, meaning that I don't believe in kwetilanga kwetemanga ukwenda kwema mundani. You just take a benzo ya mwana wakuwa sukulu. Yes, your daughter when they do color in nursery school. But if you cannot afford that, I'm also got your back. Also come maka shako njako you just cut the hand point, then oka solo to oka setanaik and got it. Just do it. And then the people were asking me, Sioke Manga, do you put foundation? I said, I don't like Mondoma foundation. Foundation doesn't make you look like you are. No, Sioke took a natural. Kokengando, you are having a flores. It's so you're not on fleek, Nina Lea. So I decided to be natural, never come out of my Vaseline, and sometimes a little bit of Yolanda, and if you want, okay, or Solea. So, and people ask me which is my lipstick. Nyena, I say, you know, as I said, I love nature. Nenda, I go and take the Mbonganvelia, them they that Mbonganvelia flower, ngakimanga, and then I kimanga it. Then I say and I put it. That is why. Now because I was once the most voted makeup artist of the year, and got a lip gloss any makwevaka. So I just come on top like this and just put the hinges. Yes, you see it looks very natural. And when you see my hair, then my hair is natural, so I just do like this. This is Makatamba, and at the end of it all, you have to put the 3 points there. So I hope you have been inspired, and I hope you will look fabulous like I look. And if you have any question, don't feel afraid to ask me, just leave here, down there on the description box. Just leave your questions and what else do you want to talk about. You know, we can talk about everything. Anyways, have yourself a beautiful day, and it is Sio Kemau. Until I catch you next time, Kwata Vina Mundo.